What if you could close your next deal before you ever made a single offer to a seller? I know that sounds backwards, everyone, but stick with me. One of our students, Nelly, did a $35,000 deal after years of zero results using a method you're about to see right now. This training is going to show you exactly how. And by the end of it, you'll understand why everything you've been taught about wholesaling has been working against you. Before we get into any of this, I need to ask you something. Have you ever locked up a contract and then spent your whole due diligence period running around stressed out trying to find a buyer? Have you ever made an offer and honestly had no idea if the numbers were even close to right and if a cash buyer would actually want it for that price? Have you ever had to cancel a deal and felt that gut punch and awful feeling inside knowing you just let a real person down? If any of that sounds familiar, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not bad at this business. You are using the wrong model, and that model has a name and a face. The gurus who taught you wholesaling, they made a lot of money, teaching you a model that was never going to consistently work for you. They told you to call yourself a cash buyer when you had no cash and no buyer. They told you to lock up a contract first, then figure it out during your due diligence period. That's not a strategy. That's hoping. They told you to blast your buyers list and see who bites, like you're sending a mass email and crossing your fingers that somebody will want your deal. That's not wholesaling. That's a model built to make them money, not you. And I know this because I followed it, every single piece of advice, for long enough to rack up 39 canceled contracts and $60,000 in debt. 39 contracts locked up, 39 contracts canceled, $60,000 in debt. I was working harder than most people I knew in this business, doing everything the way I was taught, and every single deal fell apart. Not because I wasn't trying, I was trying really hard. It was because I was guessing on everything. ARV, repairs, what buyers would pay, what to offer. Every number was a guess. Even though I was using data and formulas to come up with my numbers, I was honestly still guessing. And then a seller named Margaret said something to me that I'll never forget. She'd been burned by 3 wholesalers before I had ever called her. 3 people who had made promises that they couldn't keep. She wasn't mad at me specifically, she was just done with the whole process. And here's the thing, she wasn't wrong. She didn't get burned by bad people. She got burned by the same broken model every wholesaler had been taught. So right there on that call, I decided to stop. I dropped the whole script and I just told her the truth. I stopped trying to sound like a wholesaler. I stopped forcing the pitch and I just told her the truth. I said, look, I'm not going to tie you up in a contract and promise you I can buy your house when I'm not even sure what I can pay yet. Give me a couple days. Let me find out exactly what I can offer you. Then if the numbers make sense for both of us, we can sign the paperwork. No pitch, no pressure, no promises I didn't know I could keep. And something shifted. She went quiet for a second and then she said, all right, let's do it. For the first time in this business, I wasn't guessing. And then I went and did something I'd never done before. I went and tested the buyer demand for that specific house without signing any contract first. No commitment. I didn't have any pressure. I found the right buyer, went back to Margaret with a real number. We signed. I made an $18,000 wholesale fee. No stress, no running around, no canceling. And that's when I realized the problem was never me. The model I was following was broken. And I had just accidentally stumbled onto a better way of wholesaling real estate. Here's what's actually happening when you follow the traditional wholesaling model. Every single variable in your deal is a guess. You guess the ARV from getting comps from Zillow's data or wherever you pulled the data to do your comps, not from an actual buyer looking at the house. You guess what the repairs are from a formula, not from actually talking to someone that's looking to buy it and fix it and knows what they would actually put into the property to rehab it. You guess what buyers want from a list that you blasted, not from a real conversation about that specific property. And then you make an offer based on all those guesses stacked on top of each other. When everything is a guess, the math almost never works in your favor. That's not bad luck, that's just math. Guess-based wholesaling only has 3 outcomes. None of them build a real business. Outcome number 1, you guess too low. The seller's offended at your offer, the deal dies right there. You look like every other wholesaler who called with a lowball offer. Outcome number 2, you guess too high. You get the contract, you win it, then you spend 2 weeks running around trying to find a buyer who will pay that number. Usually nobody will, so you cancel, the seller feels betrayed, and you feel sick. Outcome number 3, which is the most dangerous one, is pure luck. The deal closes, you make money, and then you have no idea how to do it again because it wasn't a system. It was luck and a seller that just agreed to a low enough offer. Let me show you guys a real deal we just did in Atlanta. 20 buyers, same house, same day. Look at those offers right here. The lowest one came in at $100,000. The highest one came from what I call a unicorn buyer at $267,000. That's a $167,000 difference on the same house, same day. Now here's what happens when you guess. If you run the formula and lowball the seller, you offend them, they lose trust in you, and the deal's dead before it starts. But if you commit to a higher number trying to get it under contract, and then you can't find the right buyer, you're going back to the seller asking for a 30K, 40, 50K price drop, whatever you have to do in order to make the deal work so you can wholesale it. And they don't trust you anymore. They see right through it. The traditional model puts you in a box. You told them that you're going to buy the house. Now you can't back out without burning the relationship and your reputation. The pre-flip method keeps you out of that box entirely. You never overpromise. You never have to backtrack. And because of how you frame the deal from the beginning, you still have options, even when things don't go perfectly. That unicorn buyer at $267,000, you only find them when you're not guessing. After 8 years in this business, hundreds of deals, every market you guys can think of, here's the one thing I know for absolute certain about this business. There's always at least one buyer who will pay way more than everybody else. Always. They're not the loudest. They're not the easiest to find. They're almost never on your email list. I used to miss them all the time on every single deal because I was guessing. Now I find them every time because I stopped guessing. That's the entire difference. So I looked at everything I tried. Traditional wholesaling forced me to guess. Reverse wholesaling, which a lot of people think pre-flipping is, which it's not, you end up with a list of buyers who aren't the right fit for any specific deal you'll eventually find. Both models were missing the same thing, buyer-backed clarity on the specific deal in front of you. Not a list, not a generic buyer pool, the right buyer for this house, the specific house you're working on, telling you exactly what they'll pay before you even make the final offer to the seller. I built a method around that one idea and I call it the pre-flip method. Here's the entire method in one sentence. Traditional wholesaling is where you offer first and figure it out later. You guess, then you stress, and then eventually you cancel the contract. The pre-flip method, you figure it out first and you offer last. Clarity, certainty, close. The offer is the final confirmation, not the starting point. By the time you sit down with that seller and give them a number, you already know it works and it's a done deal. You already know the exit. You already know the real number. Nothing is a guess. Step 1, and this is the one that most wholesalers skip completely. Find the seller who has no other option. Not just any motivated seller, the seller who, when you actually walk them through their options, discovers on their own that you're the only real solution they have. We don't convince, we disqualify. We walk them through listing it, and the timeline doesn't work for them. We ask them if they want to fix it up, and they don't have the money or time to fix it up themselves. We ask them if they want to rent it, and then they realize that they actually don't want to be a landlord. And we ask them what will happen if they do nothing and they just keep it. And that's when they tell us that the problem just is going to get worse for them. When a seller goes through that conversation and realizes on their own that every other option doesn't work, getting aligned on that price isn't a fight. It's just math. Step 2, identify real buyer demand for that specific deal. And here's where most people get it wrong. They think they need a massive buyers list, thousands of contacts, years of relationships. You don't. You don't need any of that. You need the right one buyer for this deal, their exact number on the specific property, what they think the ARV is, and what repairs they're expecting. One serious buyer will tell you way more than 10,000 people on an email list who never respond. Step 3, and this is the fun part. Now you go back to the seller and make an offer, but it's not a guess. It's not a number that you just pulled out of your butt or pulled from Zillow. You know exactly what the seller needs. You know exactly what a real buyer will pay. Your offer is honest, certain, and completely unbeatable. It's honest because you're not making promises you don't know you can keep. Certain because you're backed by a real buyer who already told you their exact number. And it's unbeatable because you can walk in with terms that nobody else can offer. We once came in lower on price than every other offer on a deal we did, and we still won the deal because we had $50,000 in non-refundable earnest money and 0 days of due diligence because we had the buyer and we knew we could wholesale it to him. The other offers were fake. Ours wasn't. Nobody guessing on their offers can compete with somebody who already knows. That's the whole method. Seller clarity leads to buyer clarity, which leads to a perfect offer. No guessing, no pressure, no surprises. The traditional wholesaling cancellation is over 72%. Ours is under 4%. Same market, same type of sellers, same houses, completely different strategies, completely different results. Now look, if you're still watching this, I want you all to know something. Most wholesalers who watch this are already losing between $42,000 and $90,000 a year or more. Not because of bad markets, not because of bad leads, because of a model that makes guessing inevitable. And they don't even know it. What I'm about to show you, 3 real people with real numbers, is exactly what changes when the model changes. Three people who switched to this method. Same person, same market, same leads, different model, different life. That's the only thing that changed. So this is Nelly, and Nelly had been trying to wholesale for years, doing everything that the gurus said, and she had 0 deals to show for it. And she wasn't lazy, she was working the wrong model. She switched to the pre-flip method and made over $100,000 in under 6 months. Her words and not mine are, Nate didn't just teach me a strategy, he made me confident. Now that word confident, it's extremely important because that's what happens when you're not guessing anymore. You feel confident. The fear goes away, the anxiety goes away, the uncertainty goes away because you know it works before you make the offer. Mike spent 2 full years doing everything he was taught with 0 deals to show for it. He switched to the pre-flip method and he had 4 deals in under 5 months for $66,590. His words are, I've learned and earned more in the last 6 months than in 2 full years doing it the old way. 2 years of nothing, 6 months, $66,000 plus, same person, different model, different results. Caden actually reached out to me because he was a part of a coaching program where he dropped a ton of money from a well-known YouTuber that I'm sure everybody knows, and he got 0 results from that program. He then switched to the pre-flip method. He did $40,000 on his first 2 deals, $70,000 plus in under 6 months. His words are, I spent $250 on leads and made $40,000 on my first 2 deals. I've never felt this confident making offers in my life. $250 on leads, $40,000 made from wholesaling fees. The method didn't change who Caden was, it changed what he knew about walking into a deal. You know what actually changes when you stop guessing? It's not just the strategy, it's how you show up. You stop lowballing because you're not sure what the house is worth, and you walk in with a real number backed by a real buyer. You stop dreading the price conversation with sellers because you already know what works before you make the final offer. You stop hoping deals close and start knowing they will before you sign anything. The students I've seen transform in this business, it's not that they suddenly got smarter, they just stopped operating in the dark. And when the uncertainty goes away, the confidence shows up, and the sellers can feel that confidence, buyers can feel it, and the deals start closing. So before I get into this next step, I want to make sure you guys are all listening and that you hear this. You don't have a talent problem, you don't have a market problem, you don't have a lead problem. You have a strategy problem. The same one I had, the same one Nelly had, the same one that Mike and Caden had. Every single person I've worked with who felt stuck had the exact same problem, and the pre-flip method fixes it. You now understand the pre-flip method, but there's a difference between understanding a strategy and actually executing it in your own market, with your own buyers, with your sellers, consistently. Most people watch something like this and they feel great, they feel all bubbly inside, and they go out and try it once, then they get confused on a specific step, and then they go right back to what they were doing before and what they knew how to do. That's not a motivation problem. That's what happens without the right support. That gap between watching and actually closing deals is exactly what I want to talk to you all about right now. We work with a small group of wholesalers one-on-one to actually implement this. Not a course, not a membership, not a community where you post questions and hopefully someone responds. We work with you deal by deal, your market, your leads, your specific situation. We help you find your buyer, structure your offer, and close your first pre-flip deal. And we stay with you through the whole process until you've actually done it yourself. We only take a limited number of people at a time because when we say we work with you, I really mean it. We are actually working the deals with you. Remember Nelly, Mike, and Caden? They didn't figure this out by themselves. They didn't watch a training, try it solo, and hope for the best. Nelly had someone in her corner on every deal. Mike went from 2 years of nothing to 4 deals because he had actual support, not just information. Caden spent $250 on leads and made $40,000 in wholesale fees because when he got stuck, there was someone to get unstuck with. The method is what makes it possible. The apprenticeship is how you actually make it happen, fast, correctly, and in your own market. Now, I know what a lot of you guys are thinking. You're like, man, if I book this call, they're just going to pitch me. But let me be really transparent with you and tell you exactly what's going to happen on this call. Part 1, we figure out your next deal. We get on the phone with you, look at your specific market and your current leads, figure out exactly what your next deal looks like, and we show you where it's hiding right now. That part is real and useful regardless of what happens next. And we've closed tons of deals with people who've come on our calls just to talk to us about their deals. Part 2 is if it makes sense for both of us, I'll show you how the apprenticeship works, and we'll look at your situation and figure out whether it's an actual fit to work together or not. There's no pressure. This only goes anywhere if it makes sense for both of us. And like I said, we've had people book calls that have never joined our apprenticeship, but we've helped them close deals because they had a deal that they didn't know how to navigate, and we were able to help them close it. And one more thing before you book a call. When you stop guessing and start pre-flipping, buyers start chasing you, not the other way around. Buyers don't want to work with wholesalers that just guess on offers and send them bad deals. They want to work with wholesalers that involve them in the process, and they want to work with wholesalers that know what they're doing. So here's the only question that actually matters right now. Are you the type of person who, when they see a clearly better way of doing something, actually moves on it? Or are you the type of person who watches something like this, thinks, yeah, that makes sense, and then goes back to doing things the old way that they were doing? If you're the first type, this is your moment. This is where you need to take action. Click the button below and book a call. Fill in your information and pick a time to chat. Let's find your next deal and build something real. And here's exactly what you guys are going to get on that call. We'll look at your market and your specific leads, and I'll show you what your next deal looks like and where it's hiding right now. Not generic advice, your deal, your market. We build a real 30-day action plan for your situation. If you've got dead deals or leads you don't know what to do with, bring them on the call. We'll work through them live on the call. And at the end, if the apprenticeship makes sense for your situation, I'll show you exactly how it works. If it doesn't fit, there's no pitch, there's no pressure. We only take people we can genuinely help. Click the button to book your free call, pick a time, that's all you gotta do. And if you're still watching this, you know that the old way isn't working anymore. You've been guessing, you've been stressing, and you've been canceling your deals, and that ends today. Click the button, pick a time, and let's chat, because I wanna build something real with you guys.